That's one small step for man. One.
Hey, what's up guys, XXZ Halo, I'm just gonna set that in the corner, and this is a how to make a Minecraft plugin for a Firework plugin. This is just episode 1 of how to make a Minecraft plugin. So first things first, just ignore all that, and we're just gonna click that button, and you're gonna hit a Java project, and you're just gonna hit next. Project name. Now you can name this whatever you want. We'll just name this Firework plugin, and we're just gonna hit finish. So it'll create that little folder. You're gonna click that, click source, right click it, hit new, and then you're gonna hit package. Wait, yeah, that's right. Alright, and then just for you can name it like whatever you want, but just to make it to where no one else will probably have used it, me dot whatever you want name. So I'm just gonna put those line, and then dot Firework plugin. Doesn't matter if you capitalize it, but I'm just going to. And you just hit finish, and then you right click, hit new class, and then you can name this whatever you want. You can name it main, you can name it core. That's just what I put mine as. So that's what you'll have. And we're just going to start typing in all the code now. So extends, which means it extends it. Wait. Oh. Wait, yeah. Alright, sorry. You're gonna right click that, hit properties, then you're gonna get this screen. You're gonna hit Java build path. You're going to hit add external jars, and you're gonna download craft bucket, and yeah, that's all you gotta do. Then you just gotta hit OK, and now we can import that. I spelled that wrong. Okay, and then we're gonna type public void on enable. So you can spell right. And then we're gonna type bucket dot get server dot get plugin manager dot register events. And then you're going to put this. Now this is basically confirming all the code that we're going to type soon. So why is that an error? Most errors that you'll get are importing. But we're going to go on to the next part. So I'm going to hit tab to tab over. Then I'm going to hit at. And I'm going to put event handler. Now, I'm not going to go on to what this means. But if you don't understand what I'm typing or whatever, then watch the new Boston. Player join. Now this is where you're telling this thing that whenever a player joins, that it's going to launch a firework into the air. So I'm going to put final player join event, and then PGE. We're going to hit the squiggly thing, hit enter, and it'll fix some of those. And then we're going to hit tab, so you get right here. I'm going to type bucket dot get server dot get scheduler dot schedule. Now this is going to make it to where it's not going to, as soon as you join, it's not going to launch. It's going to give you about a second delay so you can actually see it. And what is it? Scheduled sync delay task. Is that right? Yeah. This. Then you're going to put new runnable. And you're going to put those. Then you're going to put another squiggly and hit enter. Now, why is that? We can implement those real quick. Alright. Why is that an error? Alright, and then you're going to type public void run that. Now here's where we're going to start customizing. You're about to start. No. Sorry, no. This is still confirming. So we're going to type Firework. It needs to be capitalized too. F. So we're going to assign, well, whatever. Equal Firework. And then you're going to put your player join event. Dot get. So it's going to get the player that just joined. Dot get. It's going to get the world that the player's in. Dot spawn. Dot spawn. What was it? Yeah. PGE. What was it? No. Yeah. Dot get player. Erase that. PGE dot get player. No, that's not right. Wait, what's wrong here? Why does this look wrong? Wait, what? I'm confused. Give me a second. Spawn. Get player. That's kind of odd. Whatever. Dot get location. Then you're gonna put those again. Comma. Firework. Dot class. And then end those, and then put that. So you're gonna import Firework. That's gonna get rid of all those errors. We'll get to that later. And we'll get to that later on too. Where am I gonna go? Tab. Okay, Firework meta. That's already something, so we're just gonna assign that to FM equal F dot get Firework meta FM dot add effect Firework effect dot builder. And we're going to import Firework effect, import Firework meta. Alright. Alright, and then, sorry, my recording stopped. Then we're going to hit add effect. Alright, and here's where you're going to add all the effects to it. So we're going to put dot flicker, let's put that to false, dot trail, true, we want it to have a trail, width, dot width, type dot, let's put it as ball large, okay, dot width, type dot burst, that you can basically just customize it right now, dot width, type dot star, dot width color, and just put color dot, let's make it maroon, or I'm just gonna copy that, dot let's do green, and add in some purple, and dot, and that's all for the colors. And we can put, just for time's sake here, I'm gonna copy this. Oh gosh. Oh no. There we go. And then you're at the end, you're just gonna put a dot build, alright, fm dot set power, they're just gonna put it as 2, f dot set firework meta fm, there, what's that, and we just need to delete the errors, just gonna delete that, okay, oh, we're not done yet, okay, so we're gonna go to this one and put comma 20 and end. There we go. Alright, so that's all what we have it to do. So we're going to save that, and we don't have any errors, so we're going to go here, and we're going to right click it and hit new, what was it, file, and then you're going to call that in the Firework plugin, not in the source, plugin.yml. Alright, so for one, I'm just going to put name, and Firework join, author, XX Halo 13XX, main, And then you gotta remember what you typed before. So me.xxz halo13xx dot, what did I call it? Firework or plugin dot core, and then description okay, my Firework join. Give me a second so I can make sure. Oh, and you need to put version. You can put it wherever you want it. You can just put it as 1.0. And then all you do is hit save. You're gonna click on that, hit F5 because that refreshes it. Here you can exit all that now. Click your Firework plugin, right click it, hit export, and make sure you have it as a jar file. Uncheck all those except for plugin.yml, and make sure you have that clicked, and you can change the name of it to Firework. Yes, because that just overrided my older one. So I'm going to open up our files now. We're going to go to .now. For desktop, go to go to plugins, server, plugins. Okay, that's fine. And then we'll just start the server. Alright, and we're going to make sure we don't get any errors. Then we'll join it. Let's see. Alright. So, enabling Fireworks version 1.0. See? It copied what we said there. And I'm going to log into Minecraft real quick. Let's drag this over my second screen. And to test, this is just how you can test all of your things very easily. So this is for 1.7.4, by the way. It's the same thing for 1.7.8, I'm sure. It's just you need to get the 1.7.8 crap bucket. So let's go to multiplayer, connect, local host, and let's see if it worked. There it is. And that's the Firework plugin. I'm also working on this right now. Click that. No, but see, never mind. I'm just gonna forget about that. You don't see any of that. That's not coming to my server or anything. That's not spoiling. Nothing's happening there. Alright, and that's how you do a plugin. And then we're just gonna type stop. And if you guys want me to put music in this, just leave a comment telling me that you want music in it. And I'll leave a link to where you can get Eclipse. And if you guys don't know how to set up Eclipse or any of that, look up a video on how to, because I'm not going to go through all that. So, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.
I know you're a monster. I know you're a monster.